In this video we are talking about if Cardano continues its bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, we are right now in the supply zone because this supply zone caused the last bearish move to the downside. And as we saw this week, we also saw this larger retracement to the downside, but we didn't saw acceptance under this purple support. We just saw this wicks right here, and then we saw this bullish explosion. And on the daily time frame we can see after we made this break of structure to the upside, we then saw this explosion to the upside, and right now we are in this bullish structure. And I think the chances high that we go to the upside again because we are in this bullish structure, and especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, then the chances high that Cardano also moves to the upside, because when Bitcoin is moving into one direction, the chances high that the altcoins are also going into the same direction. And right now we are in this range with the range high and the range low. And now it's very important that we are going to the upside and breaking this range high with the daily or weekly body close. Then the chances high that we see even higher prices for Cardano. But if we are going to the downside and breaking this last 4-hourly low, then the chances high that we go to even lower prices. Or the possibility is that we go to the downside and we take the liquidity under this low and then go to the bullish direction again. This is also the chance, so you have to wait if we find acceptance under this low or not. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market and altcoins like Cardano, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. But if we are seeing this bearish move to the downside, then I think the next interesting entry area is this order block right here, because after we saw this break of structure to the upside, we saw this consolidation right here and then saw this explosive move. You can also see it on the daily time frame that we have this last bearish candle before this explosion. So if we are breaking to the downside, then I would wait if we are coming back into this order block. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for longs and go to the upside again. But there's, as I said, also the possibility, and I think it's more likely that we go to the upside, and if we're breaking this last high, then we see an explosion for Cardano. And then the next important resistance area is this supply zone, because the bearish move started right here. And then it will decide if we're going out of this supply zone to the upside or if we find rejection right here. But as I said, the most important is this range right here. So this range will decide in which direction we are going to go. But if anything interesting happens for Cardano, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Cardano. So all in all, we saw this bullish move to the upside and we are seeing this daily bullish structure. But right now we are still in this supply zone, so the chance is there that we can continue to go to lower levels, and this range will decide if we go to even lower levels. And then I think the next really interesting area is this order block right here. So I will search for long positions right here. But if we now go to the upside and break this range high, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices for Cardano. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.